In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user on Zoho in just 5 minutes. This tutorial will help you streamline the user management in your Zoho CRM by showing you how easy it is to onboard new team members. Let's start by navigating to Zoho CRM. Ensure you have your login credentials at hand. Open your preferred web browser, type in Zoho CRM's URL and hit enter. Once the page loads up, locate the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. This will redirect you to the login portal. Next, you'll see the login page where you need to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Zoho account and click on the Next button. After that, you're prompted to enter your password. Make sure to do this carefully, and once entered, go ahead and click on Sign In. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Zoho CRM homepage. Here, look for the navigation bar and click on the icon showing 3 dots, which usually denotes more options. This will give you a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for here is Setup. Once spotted, click on that. Now you're in the Setup section. You'll notice various tabs and options, but what you need to focus on here is the General tab. Once you are in the general settings, find and click on Users. This section allows you to manage, view and add new users to your Zoho CRM account. To add a new user, click on the New User button, which should be easily noticeable in this section. You will now see fields where you can input the new user's details. Start by entering their first and last name. This is important as it helps personalize their account and makes management easier down the line. Then proceed to add their email address. Ensure you input a valid email address because the new user will receive their Zoho account verification and login details through this email. Following the email, you'll need to assign a role to the new user. This step is crucial as the given role determines what level of access the new user has within your CRM system. After defining the role, select a profile access type that corresponds to the capabilities and information they should have within your CRM. Once you have entered all the necessary details, review them to ensure everything's correct. Finally, click on Save. This final step confirms and authorizes the addition of the new user to your Zoho CRM platform. Congratulations, you have now successfully added a new user to your Zoho CRM. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.